These are crazy times that we're living in right now, and a lot of us have had to work from home. Some of us are new to working remotely. So let me help you stay focused with these 5 tips. So many people have been forced to work from home recently, and they weren't ready for such a permanent office relocation. The good news is that people have already worked from home for years. Some even around the world working remotely. For the rest of us who are stuck here working from home, normalcy is the name of the game. It's gonna keep you focused and it's gonna keep you productive. So creating normalcy is really based on what best fits you. But let me help you think about how to create it for yourself with these 5 tips. First, maintain regular hours. So keeping regular hours, you'll know when you can say yes, and you'll know even more importantly, when to say no. Keep order in your life because it's the only part of control that you really have. You can control parts of your day. Stay in control. You don't have control over a lot of things in your life. Get it while you can. And the best thing you can do is play around. Be fluid in this process. You don't want to be too rigid. You need to find what works best for you, what keeps you open, and what keeps order in your life. Be flexible, be fluid, move like water. Number 2, you have to create good habits. So everyone's circumstances are going to be different here, but you can all ask yourself the same question. Are my habits increasing stress or decreasing it? So the habits that are decreasing stress in your life are the same habits that are creating normalcy for you in your life. And we are a product of all of our habits, so why not to choose the ones that serve us and benefit us most? So a healthy habit for you that you can implement today is to, plan your day. And using a planner or using a planning app is going to be really helpful for you. And if you want to learn more about planners or the types of apps that I've been using to help plan my day, you can check out the video here. Another great habit that you can implement right now is to celebrate every victory, every win. Because let's face it, right now we need to stay positive, and the more wins we can put in that column, the better. The last habit I want to leave you with is to take more breaks. You need it now more than ever. Your mind, your soul, your body, everything needs a break right now. And so take a lot more of them. We're going to talk a lot more about breaks in the next video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the button down below. And if you're getting value out of this, then go ahead and subscribe so you can get more information that helps best serve you. Number 3, begin a routine. Morning routines are incredibly important right now because how you start dictates how you will finish, sets the tone and the pace for the rest of the month. Just one day can set the tone for the rest of your month. Think about that. Every successful person has a strong morning routine that helps them be their best self so that they can give back more and they can overcome obstacles better and they can perform at the highest levels. It helps you connect to what's important and it keeps you moving forward. So micro routines are really helpful for you throughout the day. You just want to do anything that helps you stay connected with the tone that you set for yourself in the morning. So if you end a business call or after a Zoom meeting, you just give yourself a high five or you just say, man, I crushed it. I'm awesome. I love this. I'm good at this. Let's go out for sushi. Nope, not now. Not right now, can't do that. But the point of these micro routines is just to help you stay focused. It's to help you create normalcy. So the evening routine is just as important as the morning routine because it represents a reflective period. It's a great time and to form all of your habits around this one question, what can I do better tomorrow? The next day starts the night before. Number 4, foods. So if you're eating healthy foods, you're gonna have a healthy body, and more importantly, you're gonna have a healthy mind. So imagine this scenario. You're eating a lot of sugar and you can't leave the house. How do you think you're gonna feel with that? You're gonna feel really anxious, you're gonna feel out of control, and you're gonna feel like you just can't cope. You don't want a sore tummy on a Zoom call, and you definitely don't wanna have to leave and run to the bathroom. Can I say that here? Can we talk about that here? I have a lot of clients and I'm talking to a lot of people who don't do this. They don't eat healthy. They're stressed out, so they're reaching for sugar. And then they wonder why they're crashing on their Zoom calls. They wonder why they can't brainstorm with the rest of their team. And it's because they're not giving their body and their mind the things that they need. Yeah, Karen, I'm talking to you. Put down the bottle of Pinot, step away from the cheesecake, and do what's right. Number 5, sleep. You have to make sure that you're getting enough sleep. People are making the mistake that because they're home, that they think that they can do more with less. 8 hours is not a joke, people. Use your planner, set your routines, and get to sleep. And just get it done. Just get it done. Set normalcy for yourself. Make 8 hours a normal thing for yourself. And I want to know what you do to create normalcy in your life. So in the comments below, let me know. Well, I hope you got value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks of how to elevate your game to the next level. If you know anybody that is really struggling in this time, share this video with them. It's an easy way to let them know that you are thinking about them. So be cool, be kind, and I'll see you in the next video.